Good morning, dear students. Welcome to GK class. Children, have you heard about Nobel Prizes? Yes? Then can you tell me in whose memory these prizes are given? Yes, Alfred Nobel. He invented dynamite. In his memory, Nobel Prizes are given. Children, can you tell me that which country gives Nobel Prizes? Yes, Nobel Prizes are given by Norway. These prizes are given by the government of Norway in different fields. Children, did you know Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian and Asian to win a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his great work Gitanjali. He was also the founder of Shanti Niketan, that is located in West Bengal. Shanti Niketan is also known as Vishwa Bharati University. Children, can you tell me in whose memory National Science Day is observed in India every year? Yes, C.V. Raman. In memory of C.V. Raman, National Science Day is observed in India on 28 February every year. He was a great Indian physicist. He discovered the Raman effect. Children, did you know that Hargobind Singh Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize in the field of medicine in 1968 for his work on the genetic code? Children, can anybody among you tell me who was the founder of the Missionaries of Charity in India in 1950 in Kolkata? Just right. I think you are correct. Mother Teresa. Very good. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work. She was also given the title Saint by Pope in 2016. Did you know Subramaniam Chandrasekhar was an Indian born American astrophysicist? He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 for the work on evolution of stars. And children, did you know that he was the nephew of Sir C.V. Raman? Yes. Children, can you tell me the name of great economist of India who was given Nobel Prize in the field of economics? Yes, his name is Mr. Amartya Sen. He was given Nobel Prize for his contribution to welfare economics. My dear students, Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan was also awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009. Children, did you know Kailash Satyarthi is the founder of Bachpan Bachao Andolan and he is Indian children's rights activist. He had started campaign for education and dedicated to ending illegal child labor in the rug making industry. Thank you.